Today last league matches are playing. After this match, last league match remaining of this DJC 2026 season 6.
इसमें 3 ही 6 बॉल गम गए तो परेशान।
Good start to the proceedings. Starts off with the dot ball.
ले तुम्हें देखो जाओ नहीं फिर 3 जने लड़ रहे हैं ना जवेल 3 जने लड़ रहे फिर ये ले किसे देता दे
Played it on the outside. That's up in the air. And want to play the reverse shot, doesn't get it right, even though they will go through for the single. Buys and a boundary. Chip it in the air, softest whistle. Oh boy. He put down a lollipop catch. Who's the fielder? It's Ronak is the man. The owner has put down simple lollipop catch. Good shot. Played it reversely. Plenty of power behind that shot. That went for the distance again. Second 6 in this over. Pakshal on the receiving end. Another Bharat. (17) without any loss. Played it again, a reverse shot. This time the ball running away to the boundary. That's another 6. Third 6 in this over. What an over this is. 23 runs conceded by Pakshal Jain in his first over. 3 sixes and a boundary. Expensive over from Pakshal Jain comes to an end. He's going to be bowled the next over. One over completed, 23 without any loss. Jimmy Jain. Early call for Jimmy Jain. He has got 5 wicket on Jimmy Jain and ready. Levis is the only team remain unbeaten so far in this tournament. Ball goes up and gone. Finger gone. Goes up.
सामने प्लेयर चल के आउट
ಒಂದು ನೀರು
ग्रीन कलर फोन करा तो उठाया नहीं बोल रहा है
almost 2 wickets for Ronak. If the owner Ronak hold on to it, that's a Atul Bhansali catch. Big wicket, price scalp. Played it to the offside. 1 run to the total. Atul is on strike, facing Jimmy Jain from the grand staging.
रेट ऑफ 2
2
बॉल 12 रन
ball 12 runs for Atul. He is striking the ball beautifully, good strike rate. Played with the soft hands, go through for the single, gets it comfortably. And the back for the second. Oh boy, risky single, risky couple. Jimmy Jain is not happy.
अब अतुल डेकआउट हुआ तो अतुल को डेकआउट डाला मैं उनको भी डेकआउट डाला हमारा भूलना जाना बात हम
वो 4 बार ये डाला है इसका ये 4 बार में उनकी भी जगह
Good placement. Good placement. He will get the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. Lovely shot. Just use the pace of the bowler. Played it fine indeed. Thirty for 1. Last 2 balls remaining to complete this Jimmy Jain first over.
क्या भारी मैच बाव चिंतामणि 3 लाइफ ये
Down the track comes white ball. Extra run. 31 for the loss of 1 wicket. Second over in progress. In the air and gone. Atul Bhansali departs. So sigh of relief, big relief for Ronak. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sporton. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Two young players in the center, Sanaksh along with Rahul Parekh. In fact, Sayam and Rahul Parekh, the new batsman, just come in. Last ball to go to complete over number 2. Second wicket for Jimmy Jain. He has already got 5 wicket haul. Can he do it again? 2 wickets in its first over. Last ball remaining. Cuts it well. Man at short third man. Single to finish the over after 2 overs. 32 for the loss of 2 wickets. New bowler Kalp comes to ball. The birthday boy Kalp. Many happy returns of the day, Kalp. The birthday boy comes to ball. Chiku Bhavesh in jersey of Black Caps along with his best friend Naman Chajad. There is one vice versa if Chiku Bhavesh in team jersey, Naman Chajad in civil dress. If Naman Chajad in his team jersey, Chiku Bhavesh in civil dress. Very good friendship. Before Naman Chajad, just chipped it in the air, single to the total. From tomorrow onwards, Naman Chajad will support Chiku Bhavesh. Naman Chajad almost out of the tournament. From today, yes, good presence of mind by our scorer Sheikh Afidi. Next match is Chiku Bhavesh match, Black Caps match. He will support his friend definitely. 33 for 2. Last over in the mandatory power play. Well played. Has he taken? Yes, he has. Another wicket. Wicket number 3. कौन आउट हुआ? Three early blows. Riyan should be in next action.
इधर
Hemant comes up to the middle. Hemant Jain. Sanchit, Sanmai, they are making their way to the middle. And guys, Milky chin, rosy lips, always smart. Put a bat on ball, look for the single, gets it comfortably. And the experienced man, Amit Bafna, also get entrance into the ground. The captain of Black Caps, Amit Bafna. Lot of young people playing in this BJC 2026. Sanchit, Sanmai, Kalp, Kshitij. They are having the milky chin, rosy lips. When the young guys are playing with their family members, mothers, fathers came to support their children. Easily 1 run to the total. 35 for 3. Last 2 balls to go to complete over number 3. This time the owner of Romex Challengers fielded well. He's a lucky man. Oh, want the run, slight misunderstanding. He dives himself inside the squeeze. Inside the purple squeeze. Last ball remaining to complete over number 3, 35 for 3. Good ball. That ends the over number 3 after 3 overs. 35 for the loss of 3 wickets. नको चार्जिंग करो. Three overs gone, 35 for 3. Mandatory power play completed. Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom. Naresh is the next bowler. Bowling to come after the mandatory power play completion. तुम बोलो तो नहीं आता हमारे को मूड हमारा को. Good shot, long on in place. Will get only a single, I think. Yes, it is. Looks like Kalp is the fielder. Want to pull that one to the outside, white ball down the leg side. Even though Chetan went for 30 runs in his second over, even though on the winning side, no problem. That will be forgotten quickly. One run taken easily.
Emerging player of last season, BJC 5, Mr. Rahul Parekh. 43 runs.
Mr. Rahul Parekh, the emerging player of the last season, season 5, Rahul Parekh. Oh, the bowler fells himself down. $39 for 3. The score, 4th over in progress.
Complete bowling, Naresh.
शेख भाई कल 2 थे 3 होते मैच. कल 2 थे 3 होते. Catches the call. Vyom tried his best. Kalp looks like Vyom little slow to react, but Kalp came so quickly onto the ball. Would have been taken. That would have been a catch of the tournament. Very good effort.
Lovely goal. Beauty here.
Where from he ran? He has ran all the way from the boundary rope. Round the wicket. Good ball.
क्या बॉल था यार?
Good change of angle.
थोड़ा तो था नहीं है था।
आइस नहीं खाता मैं, तुझे मालूम है मैं आइस नहीं खाता।
शूट शूट
Another single. 4 overs gone. 41 for 3. Good recovery by the bowlers of Remax Challengers. In the first over they have conceded 23, after that in the remaining 3 overs they have conceded only 18 and they have got 3 wickets. Last 3 overs 18 run and 3 wickets conceded by the bowlers of Remax Challengers. Looks like Vivian will bowl the over number 5 in the first over of his spell. We are in the 5th over and the 5th bowler has been brought in to bowl. After 4 overs, 41 for 3. Yes, is the call that takes a single. Left arm medium fast bowler Vivian bowling at the moment. This is his first over.
बॉलिंग यार व्योम
The Remax Challengers captain experimenting with his 5th bowler. Oh, well bowled, Vivian. Good ball. Another dot ball.
पूरे लेग कट रहे चलने वाला तो बैकफुट जाएगा कट तो थोड़ा सा पॉइंट के बीच में मारने वाला था।
Down the leg side. Clipping of his pads. 4 balls completed. Last 2 balls remaining in this over.
अपनी बॉलिंग यार व्योम
Outside the off stump, white ball, extra run to the total. 42 for 3. In fact, 43 for 3. Lovely ball, last ball remaining in this over. In fact, another 2. Last ball to go, yes, last ball, last. At one stage, 2 overs 32. Now, 5th over came to an end. Just 11 runs scored in the span of 3 wickets. That's it. Dot ball to finish the over. After 5 overs, 42 for 3. Last 3 overs, 11 runs and 3 wickets. Very good comeback. Strong comeback by the Remax Challengers.
या 43 बोले वही 32 बोले 32
Thanks.
व्योम एक्सटेंड भाई
A very good fielder, strong man, Mehul due to come. He's getting free. Plain miss again.
बोले यार
Pakshal.
क्या बोले यार लवली यार
Naresh bowling his second over.
इसकी वेट
No ball, more than West Side. Good decision by the umpire.
सॉरी पूरा फ्री है
No ball. Good shot. But only a single.
लवली जिमी
Sixth over in progress, 45 for 3. After the wicket of Atul Bansali, things are pretty quiet.
इधर
Good throw. Couple of runs to the total.
कोई नहीं यार
After the wicket of Atul Bansali, as I mentioned it before, wicket of Atul Bansali, the things are pretty quiet for the Surgical Stars. 20 ball, 14 run partnership. Good shot. That will run away, I think. And it is much needed boundary. That boundary brings 50 runs on the board for this Surgical Star. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited.
एक मिनट और एक अंदर आना रहने दे बाहर तुम दोनों में से एक अंदर आओ नहीं जाएगा
क्या कहते हैं?
लास्ट टू
2 balls remaining to complete over number 6. Just a simple push to the outside. Takes a single. 52 for 3. Last ball remaining to complete over number 6.
जिबे जिबे
Played it down the round. Just only a single. That ends the over number 6 after 6 overs. 53 for the loss of 3 wickets. Six overs completed, 53 for 3. 7th over to go. So the big man, heavy man in the field, Mehul, comes to field. Ultra heavy man, Mehul Rocky. Seventh over to go after 6 overs, 53 for 3. Charan comes to field at deep long off. So Jimmy Jain back into the attack. Already 2 wickets in his first over. Conceded 9 runs, 1 over, 9 runs, 2 wickets for Jimmy Jain. Very good bowler and is a very good striker of the ball. He is a very good genuine all-rounder. Good ball appeal, not given by the umpire, no support behind the wickets, only Jimmy Jain appealed, that's why umpire not impressed. Rahul Parekh is on strike. Good shot in the air, 1 bounce into the hands of the Charan, man at deep long off, 1 run to the total. Hemant is on strike, 54 for 3, 5-4 for 3. Full toss. Want a second run, but not on, just a single. On trying to win, they will settle for only a single. Last 2 more balls remaining to complete over number 7. Good shot. And taken in the deep. 3rd wicket for Jimmy Jain. His good run continues with the ball. Hemant has to depart. Trying for the big shot. Birthday by Kalp takes a very good catch. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. New batsman comes up to the middle. कौन है मालूम है क्या? Vishal. Third wicket for Jimmy Jain.
लाइन में जिमी तू इधर ही आ बस बस बस
Vishal is on strike. Trying for the reverse shot, man at third man, beats him comfortably, and the ball races away to the...
बॉडी ना
No, it doesn't, is it?
बॉडी
Legs, no boundary, ball hitting the legs, it looks like, yes it is.
लगा ना पैर पे लगा
7 hours gone. 56 for 4, last 3 overs remaining. After 7 overs, 56 for 4. Bowler Kalp, Vyom. Vyom will bowl the second over of his spell. 8th over to go. 56 for 3.
और ऐसा और
अपने का टूर्नामेंट है
Oh, good ball from Vyom. He bowled the leg cutter.
अपनी बॉल यार अपनी बॉल यार
Plain miss again, another dot ball looks like, but they are going for the run. Wait for the umpire signal.
कैच था
Looks like off the bat.
नहीं लगा बॉल पे
No buys, yes. Vyom also is such a kind of a bowler who finishes his over so quickly.
पीछे पीछे ऊपर तक अंदर अंदर अंदर
Played it on the onside, there is a fielder and taken as a... That's 6, not taken.
कोई नहीं लेना
What a strike, clean blow from the move where the batsman Vishal produced a beauty. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Again he want to repeat the same. And is the corner. Wicket for Vyom. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sporton. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor.
Timna khé, una khé, una khé, una khé, una khé,
ಶರ್ವಾದಿರ್ ಸರ್
ಆಯ್ತು
ಕೂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಈಗ
So new batsman comes out to the middle, P2. Another heavy man. This time the heavy man in the side of Surgical Stars. Mehul is the heavy man in the side of Remax Challengers. Very good contest. Please let us stop the cricket match and let us allow the Mehul and P2 to play a boxing match.
लाइन में ओके ओके
Well bowled, nice delivery from Vion.
कौन से एक बॉल भी कर रहे हैं
63 for 5. Last ball remaining to complete over number 8. Good shot. There is a fielder. The back for the second. 67 for 5 after 8. 65 for 5 after 8 overs. Last 2 overs remaining.
कब है वो नहीं बाहर बाहर
तुम्हारे गढ़दानो Birthday boy Kalp comes to ball. Looks like Jimmy Jain will bowl at the last over. This is a penultimate over, 9th over to go. So Kalp, he's on his way. Good shot. Good fielding, just a single. 66 for 5.
किसे कटू
Plain miss, dot ball, well bowled. In the air, not carried to the fielder, they back for the couple. No one tried for the catch, no one said it's mine. All are running to take the catch. Looks like might be a catch of Charan. Again plain miss, another beauty. 68 for 5. Good shot. This will run away to the boundary, I think, and it is. Much needed boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Sports Private Limited. Full toss. No ball, more than waist height. Freight. 74 for 5. Freight. Good strike. It's a freight, nevertheless. Just a single. 9 overs gone, 75 for 5. Last over to go. Of his spell and of the innings.
वही विल्सन बॉल फेंके हमारे घर में लास्ट टाइम विल्सन बॉल फेंके सिक्स करो विल्सन बॉल हाइट टर्मिनेट का अच्छा मिनट पहले आला सिक्स करो ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ಲಾರೆ ಆಯಿಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಕೈಸಿ
Has he cleaned him up? Yes, he is. Way he is celebrating looks like that. Third umpire has been called for. The decision reviewed. .1 over, no maiden, 12 run, 4 wickets. What a spell from Jimmy Jain. Already he has taken 5 wicket haul. Can he take another 5 wicket haul?
शेख भाई किसका चांस सेमीज
तीन टीम तो क्वालिफाइड है
कौन कौन
अभी शांत पे शांत मारी ब्लैक कैप 6 में 5 मारी रेमेक्स
ब्लैक कैप का और मैच है क्या अभी
आज है यार
नाइट वाला है क्या फोर्थ मैच
लास्ट और जेवेल हार गया
जेवल हार गया आउट ऑफ टूर्नामेंट
कैसा है मानो इधर अतुल शाह हारना
White ball, extra run.
इधर अधिक
इधर
हार गया
अतुल शाह हारना नेक्स्ट मैच चेतन में है उन्हों हारना जब 3 के सेम पॉइंट रखे जब चांस ये 2 मैच में कौन तो इधर अतुल शाह उधर चेतन भाई जीत गया तो जवेल भी बाहर
जेल भाई अच्छा टीम था
स्कोर भी अच्छा मारे थे विवेक के 3 कैच छोड़े
3 कैच अरे
अभी 1 रन की 2 रन मारा था जब 1 कैच छोड़े
उसका 3 कैच छोड़े तो फिर हो गया
इजी कैच थैरेज जगह कैच है सामने भाग के गया
Good shot down the ground to the onside. Just a single.
नेक्स्ट वीर 1 कैच छोड़े 3 बार हम 3 छक्के मार के जिता दिया
3 बॉल में 3 छक्के
जेवेल को ही मारा भैया हाँ बोलिए एक रन कम डाले तो बैट्समैन भी स्ट्राइक चेंज हो जाता नो बॉल के लिए सिंगल भागा ही नहीं राहुल 3 हिट सिंगल मारा भागा ही नहीं।
Good strike, firmly timed. Equally well fielded. 78 for 6. Very good figures. 7-8 for 6.
चक्कर
White ball. Close call. कौन
मुंबई मार चलते रहे बहुत स्ट्रांग टीम आज का मैच वॉच कैलकुलेशन इधर मारेगा सभी मारते
And gone, 5 wicket, another 5 wicket haul for Jimmy Jain. Second time he took 5 wicket haul again. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Good shot. Back for the second. 81 for 7. Balls.
लास्ट बॉल
Last ball to go. 81 for 7. Last ball. 81 for 7. Can Jimmy Jain take a 6 for?
हेलो हेलो
Going through for the run. White ball. $83 for 7. Last ball remaining. P2, the big man is on strike. Can he strike big?
वाइट को सिंगल भागे थे
Oh, सही है.
नो बॉल को सिंगल भी डाला हूँ यही बात
Good shot to the corn. Can they go back for that second run? One run taken, they back for the second. Can they push back for the third? Yes, they are pushing back for the third and gone. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. He's a very attacking batsman. Played it on the onside. That's six, second back-to-back sixes, consecutive sixes. And three ball, 12 runs. Two mighty sixes from the blade of Anil Savla. He is looking in aggressive intent. Played it fine, fine indeed. Man at short, fine leg. Takes a single. First 3 overs will be the mandatory batting power play. Anil Savla want to take much use of those 3 power play overs. Cuts it. Straight to short third, even though they will go through for the single. Catches the call, cuts it on the outside, go through for the single, gets it comfortably. 1 over completed, 15 without any loss. Solid start by the Remax challengers. After 1 over, 15 without any loss. Looks like Atul Bansali comes to bowl. He's the key bowler for the surgical strikes, Atul Bansali. Good shot. There is a protection in the deep. The ball goes straight to the fielder. Good time, nicely timed. Kalp is on strike. Angry Kalp, the birthday boy. Play with the soft hands. This is good batting because Anil Savla like to take on the bowler. That's why Kalp takes a single, given a strike back to his striker Anil Savla. Catches the call. And the ball went all the way to the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Played it on the onside. Again he finds the gap and gets another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary. The runs are coming at the rate of knock.
It's possible Tattva, but
तत्व
Good shot, played it down the ground to the mid-on position. The back for the second. Couple of runs to the total. .27 without any loss. Want to play the reverse shot. Doesn't get it right. After 2 overs, 27 without any loss. Last over remaining in the mandatory batting power play. After 2 overs, 27 without any loss. .27 without any loss after 2 overs. G1. So G1 comes to ball. Last over in the mandatory batting power play. Young bowler bowling to young batsman Kalp. Pulls that one to the onside, straight to the fielder, but unable to take it. 1 run to the total. Anil Sawla back on strike. Last over in the mandatory batting power play. 5 balls to go. Goes on the back foot, cuts it. Only 1 run. Good bowling by Jeevan. Good shot. Timed it so well. Just a single. 3 ball, 3 singles. Good bowling from Jeevan. Reverse shot in the air and taken, I think. What a catch. It's Atul Bansal is the catcher. Only he is the man need to take that catch. Well, still in the batting power play. Ball went straight to the fielder. From batsman Jimmy Jain comes up to mid-late number 3. Slight promotion in the batting order. Normally want to come slightly lower down the order, but today promoted himself in the batting order. Comes at number 3. Boundary signal by the umpire. Jimmy Jain opens his account with the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Appeal. All goes up. Not the finger of the umpire, but still umpire checking with the square leg umpire. Really touch and go. Not out, looks like. So 3 overs gone, 34 for the loss of 1 wicket. Mandatory power play completed. Magic Ball, the sponsor of that Magic Ball, Cherry Blossom. (34 for 1) after 3 overs. 4th over to go. Atul. Good shot. Takes the aerial road. Deposit that one into the crowd. That's a magnificent strike. 6 runs all the way. The 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Clean strike from Kalp.
बॉल कहते हुए पूरा बहुत मल्ला पूरा में देना को भाई देख के दिया अभी 4 ओवर पूरा देख के थोड़ा मीडियम करवा बिल्कुल पूरा फर्क ऐसे कर तो बहुत ट्रैवल था
That went a long distance, 100 meter 6 by Kalp. What a shot. Good ball, very good comeback by Atul Bansali. 40 for 1. They need another 46 run. Balls. Again another dot ball. Atul Bansali just altered his length. The ball he considered a 6. That was a half volley rural tracker. Down the leg side, beats the man at short front leg, into the boundary, small tickle. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Good shot down the ground. Single to the total. The runs are coming easily. For next challengers, Jimmy Jain, left-hand batsman, is on strike. And given him out, Jimmy Jain departs. Wicket sponsored by Tatu Jain of over completed, 4 overs gone,
Over.
45 for 2, 36 ball, 41 run, over completed.
Over एक साथ करते हैं.
36 ball, 41 runs needed for the next challengers.
सर 6 भाई 6 2 डॉट 4 सिंगल आउट है.
छुप्पे कंफ्यूज करते हैं.
बॉलर बोल रहा था तो बॉलर अब एक विकेट लेने के लिए डालता बॉल. ये बॉल में विकेट चले गई तो हमें जीतते करेंगे.
So 4 overs gone, 45 for 2, 36 ball, 41 runs needed. You don't often see the bowler himself tells another ball left to take a wicket. Bowler कौन है जी? Rahul Parekh into the attack. 36 ball, 41 runs. Good start to the over by Rahul. Just played with the soft hands down the ground to the onside. Just a single. 46 for 2. They need another 40 runs in 34 balls. 34 ball, 40 runs needed. Rahul bowling well at the moment. Good shot in the air. And that's 6. What a strike. Clean blow. As clean as a whistle. That brings 50 runs on the board for the Remax challengers. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Very good shot. Should be on the ball. Yes, it is. Rightly so, sir. Fleet. Fleet. Again he goes. That's huge. That's another 6. Maximum use of that Fleet ball. Second 6 for Pakshal Jain. The score moves up to 59 with that magnificent 6. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6. Balls are disappearing from the park. Hello. गौरव चोपड़ा, गोपाल चोपड़ा.
बोल तो कपूर रहे तो लेके आ भा सब हमें समझ आता है
59 for 2. Gosbegi, that's used, third six in this over. That's another Bharat Aerospace Private Limited six. Pakshal Jain decided to go on the bowler. What a clean strike, as clean as a whistle. Third six in this over.
सारी का शॉट है
5 overs completed, 65 for 2. 30 ball, 21 runs. From here on, Remax Challengers should be a cakewalk unless anything dramatic happen. Kalp retired out. New batsman comes out to the middle. Vyom. Jainam. The birthday boy himself retired out. I don't know exactly. Three sixes for Pakshal Jain in Rahul Parekh over. 31 ball, in fact 30 ball, 21 runs needed. With those three big sixes, required run rate straight away comes down just more than 4 runs per over. At the moment, Atul Bansali will bowl the last over of his spell. Played it down the ground. Single, 29 ball, 20 runs. Slowly but surely, Remax Challengers inching towards the victory. Pakshal is on strike. Oh, want to go big again. Nowhere near the ball, another dot delivery. They need another 20 runs. 66 for 3. Meanwhile, the score. Played it well down the ground. Just a single. 19 needed still. Chip it in the air. Not taken, not carry. They need 18 again, another. Goes for the biggie. Missed it altogether. 6 overs gone. 68 for 3. 24 ball, 18 runs needed. Kushal changing his jersey. Hemant is the bowler. Another single. P2, the big man, wicket keeping at the moment with a big loud noise. Good shot again. That's another tremendous blow. That's 6 all the way. What a strike this is. Another Bharat Aerospace Private Limited 6. 75 for 3. They need another 11. Pakshal Jain hits his fourth six. Can he hit couple of? Just they are going for the single. 76 for 3. They need just 10 runs. 2 big hits away. Jainam is on strike. The full toss, played it on the onside. Out goal for a single. Pakshal at the non-striking end at the moment. Good ball, good ball. Still 76 for 3. 10 runs needed. चेतन माइक लेके उधर से बहुत है बॉल 19-20. So 7 overs gone, 76 for 3, 18 ball, 10 runs. विशेष इसके मुकाबले के थोड़ा माइक लेके
सेकंड ओवर लास्ट सेकंड ओवर अभी 2 ओवर रहता नष्ट हो जाए तो
10 रन हो गए. छक्के पक्षल 4 छक्के मारे.
आउट है ओवर एक सिक्स क्या था क्लियर
बॉलर Jivan back into the attack. 18 ball, 10 runs. जाओ जाओ लेके आओ, फिर उधर जाना पड़ता. He goes on the onside and he gets a boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. They need another 6 run, 1 big hit away. Can Pakshal finishes the things in style? Six runs needed. Pakshal is on strike. White ball. Another 5 runs needed. That's a biggie. That's monster. That's it. Remax Challengers pulls up a beauty. Another win. They won their last league match. They are comfortable in the points table. Next match, Black Caps taking on PHC Strikers. We will be back with the toss. Stay tuned.